I'm Tingssam, your amazing Korean tutor. Are you learning Korean but feeling stuck? Or maybe you are looking for a smarter, more motivating way to study? Then welcome to Tingsam's YouTube membership. Let me help you grow your Korean step by step with just one clear sentence every day. Every day, I post a video with a short Korean sentence. You will read it, listen to it, and memorize it. Because memorizing just one good sentence every day helps your brain naturally learn Korean grammar, rhythm, and pronunciation. Daily repetition builds really fluency, slowly but surely. You don't need to understand everything. Just follow the rhythm every day. You will also learn how to use these expressions in real conversation. And I'll give you a little homework too. You write one short sentence using what you've learned, and I will check it for you. Let's talk about the membership tiers. Basic, $3 per month, one sentence every day. Leave a comment with your own sentence and get feedback. Korean memes, slang, and trends explained in the community tab. Free scripts and PDFs for all public videos.
시작이 반이다. Okay, so 시작 literally means start. Subject marking particle. So, if it is apostrophe S, you cannot say 숙제의 because it's too hard to pronounce. So you can pronounce like as in subject, like subject, verb, and noun. What means what? 이든 ever, whatever it is. You agree? 동의해요? EU means reason. Please write it down the reason. Which means why or why not. 시작이 half, 반이다. 시작이 반이다.
You will also learn real Korean culture, how people actually speak in daily life. This year is perfect if you want structure and fun every day. Practice tier, $8 per month. Includes everything in basic, plus weekly pronunciation feedback, full access to my paid PDFs on Shopify, 5,001 discount for my offline classes, and my guest house in Seoul. This is for learners who want stronger feedback and a real connection to Korea. VIP tiers, $24 per month. Includes everything in practice, plus one Zoom session with me every month. 10,001 discount for my Korean class or accommodation. If you want personalized coaching and intensive care, this tier is for you. So, join today and learn Korean with structure, culture, and Tingsam's support. No more random studying. Just one sentence a day, steady growth, and real results. Are you ready? Let's begin together. Yeah!